Good day, everyone. What we are going to present this regional invention contest and exhibit 2021 is design, fabrication, and performance evaluation of a garden tiller mounted potato digger implements with farrower. This is our research together with Miss Maribel M. Jimenez, Chrysler A. Organo, and yours truly, Leonardo Di Dumalhin. Let me give you a brief background with regards to our research related to potatoes. Well, 85% of Philippine potato production area is found in Benguet and some parts of Mountain Province in Cordillera Administrative Region. About 8,000 hectares, producing 116,000 metric tons yearly. Nonetheless, the total produce of our country only supplies 30% of our country's demand. Majority of our production is found here in Cordillera Administrative Region because it has the ideal climate for this commodity. Though bulk of the production is here in our locality, our production area is found in the mountains. And if we look at it, it is obviously hilly, inaccessible, or lack of FM farm to market roads, relatively small land holdings, and low mechanization. There are actually potato diggers developed long time ago, but are found abroad, and these are designed for wide areas, and so those are not applicable here in our locality because we cannot even bring those machines to our farms because these are bulky. There are a lot of activities before a potato crop reaches your table, such as land preparation, planting, crop maintenance, harvesting, hauling and transportation going to vegetable trading posts. But let me go back to the harvesting stage of this commodity because this is what we are addressing. So far, harvesting is done manually and it is laborious, which requires 40 man days per hectare. Tiresome, of course. In fact, labor shortage is often experienced during peak season of harvesting, especially when a farmer's heard that a price is good. Since it is laborious, the harvesting cost is high. Another problem is the number of farmers is decreasing because they are aging, which means that the young generations are not keen on farming. Perhaps it's because of hardship of farm activities, and so we have to introduce machines to address labor shortage and increase productivity of labor. Nowadays, land preparation is somehow mechanized because of the introduction of portable tillers. In fact, this is now common to farmers. However, these tillers are devoted for land preparation and it is idle after land prep is done. So why not maximize the use of these tillers by designing an implement attached to it like diggers and somehow solve the problems related to potato harvesting. We successfully designed indeed an implement attached to these tillers and we evaluated it considering these parameters: effective field capacity, field efficiency, exposed tuber percentage, tuber damage percentage, and wheel slipped. After fabrication, testing and modification until we come up with a working one, we evaluated the device considering the parameters I have mentioned. So we prepared an evaluation area, labeling replication plot, actual digging operations, and gathering all data related to the parameters we considered in this research. After subjecting the device into 4 levels of digger amplitudes, ANOVA says that it has no significant effect on the performance of the device. Nonetheless, if we compare the device with the previous prototypes, the data shows that this new one is better in terms of digging capacity. This newly developed design is not yet a perfect one. There is still room for improvements, but we can say that this device is a promising one because it significantly reduces the usual required of harvesting manpower, also harvesting cost and harvesting time. It weighs only 27 kilograms, so it could be transferred from one place to another, making it ideal for terrace farms in our locality. This will maximize the use of garden tillers that are commonly owned by the farmers, and hopefully this may somehow entice the young generation in farming and save the dying agriculture in the country.